Try this page number 148, question number 3 and 4. Page number 148, try these questions. Question number 3. In figure, BD and CE are altitudes of triangle ABC such that BD equal to CE. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle CBD and BC, triangle BCE. Second question, is triangle CBD congruent to triangle BCE? Why or why not? Is angle DCB equal to angle EBC? Why or why not? Okay. In figure, BD and CE are altitudes. Altitude represent these two angles are 90 degree. Okay. In triangle ABC such that BD equal to CE. BD and CE are equal. These two sides are equal. Should consider CBD and BCE. Okay, that two triangles you consider. That two triangles are right angle triangle. You can use that which congruence criteria? Right RHS congruence criteria. Okay, then next here consider triangle CBD and triangle BCE. Here these two, angle E and angle D are 90 degree. Angle D equal to angle E equal to 90 degree. Next here first triangle CBD. Okay, for CBD BD and CE are equal. BD and CE are equal. Okay, already given that. In question already given this information. Okay, BD equal to CE. Next what's it? Here these two triangles BC is a common side. Okay, in triangle BCD and BCE, BC is the common side. BC equal to BC, common side. Okay. These are the three. State the three pairs of equal parts in CBD and triangle CBD and triangle BC. These are the three equal parts. Okay. What is the second question? This is the first question answer. Second answer, what's it? Is triangle CBD congruent to triangle BCE? Why or why not? Here, this is a 90 degree. In 90 degree means what? These two triangles are right angle triangle. Here BC is a hypotenuse and CE and BD are what? Altitude of these two triangles. Okay, for one side and hypotenuse equal, definitely you can write it, these two right angle triangles are congruent. Okay, yes, triangle CBD congruent to triangle BCE. Reason, RHS congruence criteria. Next, the third question. Is angle DCB equal to angle EBC? Here, these two triangles are congruent. Definitely, this angle also what? Equal. What is the reason? Corresponding parts of a congruent triangles are equal. Okay. Next, you write it. You can write it. Yes, angle DCB equal to angle EBC. Reason, what's it? CPCT. Okay, CPCT means what? Corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. Next, the fourth one. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC and AD is one of its altitudes. Okay, altitude means definitely it will make a 90 degree. Okay. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. You should consider First answer, consider triangle ADB and ADC, triangle ADC. We need to write it 3 equal parts, okay? 3 pairs of equal parts. What are the 3 pairs of equal parts? First, here already given that AB and AC are equal. What's the reason? ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. First you can write it AB equal to AC. What's the reason? Given. Otherwise you can write it triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Next, what type of triangle is these 2 triangles? These 2 triangles are congruent. Here AB and AC represent what? Hypotenuse of these 2 triangles. Okay. Next, what's it? AD is the common side of both the triangles. Okay. AD equal to AD, common side. Angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree. These are the 3 pairs of equal parts. Okay. Next, second question answer. Is triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC? Yes, because these 2 triangles are right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse AB and what? Altitude, given that altitude also same. At the same time you can write it what? Triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC. Yes, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by what's the reason? RHS congruence rule. RHS congruence criterion or rule. Next, angle B equal to angle C. If 2 triangles are congruent, definitely corresponding sides or corresponding parts are also equal. So corresponding sides and corresponding angles are also equal. That means yes, angle B equal to angle C. What's the reason? Corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. Same way, fourth one also same. BD equal to CD. Is it BD equal to CD? Yes. Yes, BD equal to CD. BD and CD are corresponding parts of a congruent triangles. That means what's the reason? CP, CD. Homework, exercise 7.2, question number 7 and 7, 8, 9.